Hello everyone. Today, I'm taking you on what might be the strangest journey in history. A journey to a world where dinosaurs never went extinct. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. If you looked out of your window right now and saw a Tyrannosaurus Rex walking down the street, what would be the first thing you'd do? You might think this sounds like a scene from a Hollywood movie, but the truth is, only one event prevented such a world from becoming reality. That event was the impact of an asteroid. But what if that asteroid had never struck Earth? Would humans still be the rulers of the planet? Or would dinosaurs still dominate the Earth? Stay with me until the end of this video, because we'll discover a fascinating truth that may completely change the way you see history. About 66 million years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. There were no cities, no cars, no internet, no humans. Everywhere you looked, dinosaurs ruled the planet. From dense jungles to vast deserts. From towering mountains to the shores of ancient oceans. The Earth belonged to them. They dominated our planet for nearly 160 million years. To understand how incredible that is, remember that modern humans have existed for only about 300,000 years. That means dinosaurs lived on Earth for more than 500 times longer than humans have. Years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. There were no cities, no cars, no internet, no humans. Everywhere you looked, dinosaurs ruled the planet. From dense jungles to vast deserts. From towering mountains to the shores of ancient oceans. The Earth belonged to them. They dominated our planet for nearly 160 million years. To understand how incredible that is, remember that modern humans have existed for only about 300,000 years. That means dinosaurs lived on Earth for more than 500 times longer than humans have. But what if that never happened? Let's rewrite history. Imagine the asteroid arrived just a few minutes later, or completely missed Earth. In that case, today's world would probably be completely different. Perhaps humans would never have existed at all. Our ancestors at that time were tiny mammals. They mostly came out at night, hiding from enormous predators. If dinosaurs had survived, those small mammals might never have had the chance to evolve. No humans, no civilization, no language, no technology, and perhaps no one would even exist to make movies about dinosaurs. But here's an even more exciting question. What if, against all odds, humans and dinosaurs lived together? Imagine leaving your house in the morning. Before getting into your car, you'd first have to make sure there wasn't a giant predator nearby. Every day, the news might report, a herd of dinosaurs has been spotted on the highway. Or, entering the forest is prohibited until further notice. Cities would likely be protected by enormous defensive walls. Watchtowers would surround every city. Drones would constantly patrol the skies. Perhaps there would even be special police units trained to deal with dinosaurs. Imagine this. Instead of worrying about being late for school, children would have to worry about a giant predator crossing their path. But the most dangerous place would be the forests. In the darkness of night, everything is silent. Only the sound of the wind. Suddenly, the crack of breaking branches, the heavy breathing of something enormous. You can't see it, but it can see you. Perhaps predators would have had millions of extra years to evolve. Faster. Smarter. Even deadlier. Maybe even more dangerous than A.T. Rex. Now we reach the strangest part of the story. Could dinosaurs have become intelligent? Some scientists believe that certain small dinosaurs already had relatively advanced brains. If they had millions of more years to evolve, perhaps they would have learned to make tools. Perhaps they would have discovered fire. Perhaps they would have built their own cities. And maybe the first intelligent civilization on Earth wouldn't have been humans. It would have been dinosaurs. Just imagine. Perhaps intelligent reptiles would now be building spaceships. But there's another question. Could humans have domesticated some dinosaurs? It's possible. Just as horses, camels, and cattle were domesticated, perhaps herbivorous dinosaurs could have become our companions. People might have ridden them for travel, used them to carry heavy loads, or even organize dinosaur racing competitions. But one thing is almost certain. No sane person would choose a Tyrannosaurus Rex as a household pet. Now we arrive at a fact that many people don't know. Dinosaurs never completely disappeared. In fact, they are still living on Earth today. Modern birds, such as eagles, pigeons, crows, and sparrows, are descendants of one branch of the dinosaurs. So every time you hear a bird singing, you are actually hearing the voices of the last surviving dinosaurs. It may sound unbelievable, but the fate of humanity, every city, every piece of technology, and even the very video you're watching right now, depended on a single impact. If that asteroid had taken a different path, this planet might still belong to the giant creatures that ruled it millions of years ago. Now it's your turn. If you had the chance to spend just one day in a world where dinosaurs still lived, would you do it? Or would you rather never set foot in such a world? Let me know your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because in the next video we'll uncover another one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Thank you for watching until the end.